Settling medical bills from a deposit means using a deposit that was received in advance before treatment starts to help cover the final bill. This makes it easier for the hospital to cover costs and ensures part of the payment is already taken care of. This process reduces the liability recorded for the deposit and transfers it to revenue or a corresponding expense. It also reduces the account's receivable balance, reflecting a lower amount the patient still owes. This ensures accurate financial reporting by aligning the deposit with the services rendered and updating the patient's account balance. To access the billing panel, follow these steps. Click on the queue to access the patients queued in various rooms. The My Room option shows the patient queued to your room, while the All option displays the patient's queued to all rooms. Select the patient you wish to bill by double-clicking on their name, and you'll be redirected to the billing window. The panel will indicate the patient's demographic details. This ensures accurate patient selection, prevents billing errors, supports personalized service, and provides quick access to essential information for efficient deposit management. In the View panel, the Bill Items section will display all items, either pending or settled. Items with pending payments will appear in black. Items paid by cash will appear in green. Invoiced items will be yellow. Dispensed items will be blue, and voided items will be red. If your list is extensive, you can easily find and select an item based on your intervention using the search bar provided. To offset from the deposit, first select the bill items, which will display the total amount due. Next, under Type of Sale, select Offset from Deposit, then click on Save Offset. The billing panel will indicate the deposit balance and the deposit used. This ensures transparency, accuracy, and efficient management of financial transactions, improving customer service and preventing errors. Reversing a customer deposit helps correct errors, ensures accurate billing, and prevents overcharging. It reduces liabilities, adjusts cash flow, and impacts revenue recognition, maintaining accurate financial records and patient account balances. To reverse a deposit, click on the Actions tab. From the menu, select Reverse Deposit Offset. In the next window, choose the items you wish to reverse the payment for. Then click on the Reverse button and confirm by selecting OK on the prompt to successfully complete the reversal.